So in our Fire TV related videos, we talked about how you can unlock geo restrictions on streaming sites. But honestly though, not everyone uses Netflix or Hulu all the time. There are apps that can record your Fire TV or sideload apps that aren't available on your Fire TV. So why do you want to use those apps? That's the burning question, isn't it? Okay, this might sound a little hammy or even corny because these apps make your life much easier and even make you feel smarter the way you use your Fire TV. Because normally if you have a problem, you'd go online and figure it out because there's other people who've probably faced it. Usually there's apps that you can download and fix them, but these apps that we're talking about fundamentally change the way you use your Fire TV stick. Here are some of those awesome and less known apps that I found actually useful and worth my time. So let's get into it.
The first one on our list is the most essential app that'll help you install your apps that you have on your Android phone to your Fire Stick. Sideloading apps on Fire Stick isn't all that easy. There's no Play Store and well, there is Amazon Store, but they can only be accessed via voice commands, which makes it difficult to use apps or even know whether certain apps are there for Fire TV natively or not. To counter this situation, we've got EasyFire Tool. It's a nifty app that helps you sideload apps which are installed on your phone or the APKs that you've downloaded on your phone. To get started, open EasyFire Tool app while being on the same Wi-Fi network as your Fire TV. Then connect your phone to Fire TV. Once you're connected, you can now sideload apps on your Fire TV with a single click. This can prove to be the first step for sideloading ecosystem. As you know, Fire TV has up to 8 GB of internal storage as well. Nothing to boast about, but at least it's kinda decent. Accessing them can be a pain because there's no file manager by default, but this problem can be solved by installing ES File Manager. ES File Manager allows you to read and write the internal storage, and it also supports some of its unique features in the television version, as well as the network option, which allows you to access cloud or view the PC option, which is basically FTP, letting you transfer via Wi-Fi. It also supports USB flash drives by using host cable. Once you use the host cable, you can plug any flash drive and it will be visible inside ES. Firestick, much like Android TV box, is powered by Android, but it still lacks Google Play services and hence no Play Store as well. To counter this, we have Aptoide TV. This app store is specifically designed for bigger screens. But not everything is amazing. Aptoide TV has some illegal and malicious apps, so be cautious while downloading unknown apps while you're on your apps exploration spree. Well, let's not discuss that because it's illegal, of course. The most interesting feature about this app store is that it has the feature of auto-updating an app once the update hits the Aptoide App Store. Do check it out for the freedom this app provides you for your Fire TV. Now, we all know Fire TV is capable of actually running apps made for your phone and not streaming devices. You can install and run these apps easily, but it wouldn't solve any problem. To actually use them, you need a navigation, and in that case, mouse toggle for Fire TV makes things easier by adding a round cursor whenever you press the play button twice. Once you see the cursor on your screen, just navigate around the screen with the navigation keys and you're good to go. I've always emphasized on setting up Smart DNS Proxy on your router, by which you can use it on every device connected to your router, as some of the devices don't support VPN. The lack of support for VPN isn't fully a thing for Fire TV. The app fully supports the UI a bit stretched out because the app is for mobile and not for Fire TV. Once you get it running, you can use the mouse toggle app or a dongle to connect mouse physically. To choose the country and the server and then hit connect. Once connected, it changes your IP to the IP of your desired country with just a single click. While you can browse YouTube on your Firestick TV with Silk or Firefox browser, if you're looking for some apps that are better with news or video apps, try Haystack TV. It allows you to select channels and even genres that you like, resulting in a clean and informative news feed on your TV via your Fire TV. While you set it up, Haystack TV asks for your interests and tells you to follow channels that match your interests. Once you're set up, you can see all the channels on the left. Choosing any of them will start your newsfeed. The best thing I like about the app is the diversity of news sources it has, from mainstream news sources like CNN and Sky News to generic specific news videos like entertainment and gaming. Cheers to all Battle Royale fans out there. After the video app, next up, we've got an online radio app. So TuneIn Radio is one of those multifaceted apps for all of your audio needs. With TuneIn Radio, you can listen to live radio as well as podcasts like Joe Rogan. Anyone? It's background playback supported, so you can now continue browsing movies while listening to your favorite music or podcasts. One thing I love about this app is the sorting feature. You can easily sort music by location or language. So no matter where you are or where you live or what language you speak, TuneIn has you covered. This one is one of my favorite apps on the list. So you know the second generation Firestick has screen mirroring, although it's quite buggy, but the latest Firestick 4K has no screen mirroring at all. Thankfully, you can still cast your screen on both old and new Firestick with the help of AirScreen. AirScreen lets you use all the technologies available for casting videos or mirroring screens to your Fire TV stick. Install the app and hit start. Once you're in, just tap on start and a new window will prompt waiting for connection. Open YouTube and tap on the casting icon and choose the device. The name should be AS, AFMM or something like that. Just tap on it and you'll notice the video playback on your Fire TV stick. This app also supports screen mirroring via Google Home app. You can also mirror your laptop screen real easy. It works flawlessly. Do check it out. You probably already know about Spotify, but do you know you can also use Spotify on your Fire TV stick as well? Just open Aptoide and search for Spotify Music. Download the app which says Spotify Music for Android TV and you're good to go. The app works well on Fire TV stick and it's well optimized as well. You can scroll through various playlists, albums and listen to your favorite tracks. And best of all, it also supports background playback just as you get from Amazon Music. Plex lets you access your local storage from your Fire TV stick. You just need to install Plex both on your Fire TV stick and your Windows or Mac computer and set up a server on your computer. Open the app and you'll see the recent audio and video files present on the computer. One thing to note, to use Plex, both of your devices need to be on the same Wi-Fi, so just keep an eye on that. Do give it a shot though. This is one of the most unique apps in this whole list. It's not even made for Fire TV stick. Rec is used to screen record the Fire TV stick. Just download the app from Aptoide TV and open it. Once you open the app, you'll see there's no way to navigate inside the app's interface, as it's originally made for mobile. You can use your mouse toggle on the Fire TV stick and a dongle with the mouse connected to the Fire TV 4K to navigate. Once you're in, you can see the following options: size, bitrate, duration and audio. Just change the duration to 1 hour in case you're doing a longer screen recording, or set it to your requirement and you're good to go. Navigate your mouse cursor to the record button, start recording, and to end it, just come back up and stop.
Thanks for watching everyone, and let us know in the comment section below what apps caught your eye and some of the ones that you think are the best, because I'm always on the lookout for new ones. And check out Smart DNS Proxy, because we help people unblock geo-restricted content on sites like Netflix, Hulu, Pandora, or even Amazon Prime Video. It's got a $14 free trial and everything to test the waters, and after that it's only about 60 cents a day, which is bugger all considering the amount of content you get. And while you're down there, subscribe for more STP, which is what Smart DNS Proxy. Cool kids call it like that, and thanks for watching. See ya.